Let's nominate someone for you.
नहीं, इस वक्त हम इज्तमाع अंसारुल्लाह कनाडा पे इस वक्त मौजूद हैं. We are staying right now at Ansaar ijtema. And I have just seen these friends from different countries, maybe from Ghana, maybe from different, all from Nigeria.
No, Benin.
Benin. So I thought I will get some introduction and I will take some feelings when they are joining such a occasion, such a like ijtema. Like just first we start from the right side. So you tell me your name.
Yeah, my name is Saeed Badmus.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are.
My background is Nigeria.
Yes.
You know, but now I live in Canada.
Okay.
So I live in Canada with my family.
Okay. How long you belong to Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya? How long have you been Ahmadi, or you are basically by born Ahmadi?
I signed my first bayat in January 1984.
1984.
And I arrived in Canada 15 years ago.
Oh, very nice.
You know, and I've been an active member since
Okay,
then.
very
So,
active member.
Alhamdulillah.
You have been joining every ijtema every year?
Every ijtema, Jلسہ, everything, every program.
Okay.
You know.
And the truth of Jamaat, what has changed in your life?
It has changed a lot.
Yeah.
If I want to be telling you what it has changed in my life,
yes,
you know, I will be talking to you for about more than 1 hour.
Oh, yes. Okay. No,
so
we have not.
Okay.
Thank
anyway.
you.
It has changed a lot in my life.
Yeah.
You know, because I knew how I was practicing Islam.
Okay.
I was born as a Muslim.
Yes.
But not Ahmadi.
Yes.
So I knew what I was. I could remember how I was practicing Islam before.
Okay.
So when I joined Ahmadiyya, I know a lot of Islam more than what I was doing before.
Very thanks for speaking to us. Now, we take to the next brother. You can tell about your name.
My name is Lawal Sumanu. I'm from Benin.
Benin.
So I'm living in Canada since 10 years.
Since 10 years? So you were born as Ahmadi? You are born Ahmadi. Your family, your father, mother?
My father was Ahmadi.
Oh, very nice. And how you feel yourself when you are attending such a
So
ijtema?
this is my first
it's your first
Jlسہ.
Oh,
I've been ijtema Kudam al-Ahmadiyya before, but it's my first.
As an Ansaar, first time. Oh, very nice. Thank you very much. Now we have a new brother. So you can just introduce yourself first time and then tell me something about ijtema.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdul Ghani Omakaye. I'm the president of Pan-African Ahmadiyya Muslim Association in Canada,
very nice.
Which was inaugurated by Kuzu in 2018, I think.
No problem. 2018, okay.
So I'm in charge of all African diaspora in the Jamaat, and we have been making effort to gather ourselves around the brotherhood and also have some ways of paying back to Africa in all the things we are doing. So, as you know, Jamaat is a big family all over the world.
That's right.
And that is distinct and unique to the Jamaat, where we have one leader for the whole world. And this is the true Islam. And we all know what it means to have a leader. And we never get lost when we have a guide.
That's right.
Because of that, we need to always be our brother's keeper and show the kind of expectation that Huzur wants from us. The guidance of Huzur is very important for every one of us, and we need to follow it keenly and with all the love that's generated. Our motto, as you know, is love for all, hatred for none.
Right.
So you don't stop at just being Ahmadi for your family.
Yes.
You need to have impact in your society, in your community, and do so much that everybody will see you as a distinct exemplary in the family. Almighty Allah continue to help each and every one of us. We have a lot of programs that we have to do.
Yes.
The recent one that we are trying to do is to do work for arts.
Yes.
In the Caribbean. We're still going to try and continuously do that.
That's right.
This is my friend from Oman.
Yeah, they are. That's the part. Okay, now we get to the next one.
My name is Ansaar. I live in Canada with my family.
Yes.
And we're very glad that we are in attendance of this year ijtema.
Yes.
Because we have missed this opportunity for about 2 years.
Yes.
Because of the pandemic.
Yes.
And we give glory to Almighty God that we are able to assemble for this great opportunity.
Yes.
It's a great pleasure for being part of this program.
Very nice to talk to you. And you are born MD?
I'm born MD.
Yeah. Okay, that's very good. Okay, now we take the next friend.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdul Sabur Akadi. It's always nice to be at the ijtema where you meet people of same faith and same intentions, and it's always good to be around people that think in that perspective. We've missed it for a few years.
Yes.
So alhamdulillah that we're here again this year, and hopefully we'll live to do more, inshallah.
Very nice. Thank you. Now the next friend.
Abdurrazak Durajai. Assalamu alaikum. So this is a family reunion to me, Ahmadiyya family reunion.
Yes.
Social reunion and spiritual reunion. So it's a blessing to be here.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Now, a friend.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Malik Olonode. I'm a born Ahmadi.
Yes.
All my families are also Ahmadi.
Yes.
I got to Canada in 2015.
Yes.
And alhamdulillah, we were able to hold this ijtema physically. For the past 2 years, we were unable to do this.
Yeah.
So, alhamdulillah, I enjoy, and it's a kind of a reunion with friends and families. So, alhamdulillah, Jazakallah, thank you very much. Nice talking to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.